The hike to see the volcanic eruption in Iceland right now is 20 kilometers. Or you can book a helicopter tour. Let's go! The current volcanic eruption is located on Reykjanes Peninsula, which makes it easy to fly to from Reykjavik Airport. This local airport is located just a 5-minute drive from the city center. Booking a seat on a helicopter tour is a fast and easy way to squeeze the volcanic eruption into your itinerary, especially since the hike is a lot longer than previous eruptions. Apart from saving a lot of time, you get the best view of the entire eruption site from a helicopter. You're even able to look right down into the crater without your view being obstructed. Your skillful pilot will circle the helicopter around the eruption. And of course make sure that everyone aboard gets to see the eruption from all angles and have plenty of opportunity to take cool photos. Yes, a helicopter tour is more expensive than hiking to the eruption site. A seat on the helicopter costs 63,900 Icelandic kroner. The duration of the tour is approximately 45 minutes from the helicopter takes off until it lands again. It's definitely the luxury version of experiencing the erupting volcano. But it will also be one of the most memorable experiences of your lifetime, and definitely your Iceland adventure. Book your seat on a helicopter tour on guidetoiceland.is. Hurry up, they're selling fast.